have a 30-gallon tumbler. Everything's made from the tumbler itself. 30-gallon barrel. Sawdust, a bit of borax in there, wooden baffles to help grab it, churn it, and actually tumble it. Real simple construction. Latch, welded hinges, cut right in there. Now here, you look at the frame, tubular steel, comes up into A, heavy duty bearings. Over here, the motor, the way that's fixed up so you can adjust the tension on the belt. Now if you look over here, look at the different type pulleys that are used to get the low ratio spin that you want for a tumbler. Notice how everything's set up here. You got your small one. It was about a 1 or 2 inch pulley, 1 inch pulley here. A larger pulley. Smaller one there coming up. Just different gear reductions. You can spend a lot of money and get an actual gear reduction motor, but hey, if you're trying to get by on the cheap, here's a better way for you to do it. Notice back here, pillow block bearings. They're the heavy duty kind, lifetime. For a shaft, again, if you're inventive, you can figure out your way of doing things, which you like. And notice here for the strength on the barrel itself, cross metal, welded on, shaft, and then of course you got your bearings, both sides. It'll last and work very well. But now, let's turn this baby on. As you can see, that's a pretty good turn. So you can build these tumblers, small tumblers yourself, save some money. They may not be perfect, but they accomplish the task at hand and helps you out in your job. For small game and birds, it works just fine. So here you go. Looks real good. Works. Thanks for watching.